Hello again everyone and welcome to the sixth part of the video lecture for trigonometric integrals, the integrals involving powers of trigonometric function. So in this sixth part of the video, we are going to consider naman ang even powers of secant raised to n of x. Okay, so we just again recall the concept of the integral of secant squared of x, which is tangent of x, and we are going to use naman yung Pythagorean identity na secant squared of x equals to tangent squared of x. So kanina, dun sa previous video natin, tangent ang kinoconsider natin, na kung saan we separate a tangent squared, factor ng tangent squared, and that tangent squared, i-convert natin siya as 1 minus secant squared of x minus 1. So under this case naman, we have the secant squared naman, and ang goal natin is magtanggal tayo ng isang secant squared, and that will act as our du, and then the rest of the secant squared, i-convert natin siya in terms of the tangent. Okay? So we have here a 3 example na i-considered, and observe ninyo ano ba yung nangyayari for this particular 3 example. Now, of course, yung first example natin, yan yung pinakamadali because that's the basic integration that we have. So ano bang integral ng secant squared? Ayan, binigay ko na nga dito, di ba? That is tangent of x plus c. So proceed na tayo for the example number 13. We have their integral of secant secant raised to 4 of x dx. So here, ang gagawin natin, magtanggal tayo or mag-factor kayo ng secant squared. So we have secant squared of x dx. So this secant squared of x dx will serve as our du later on. Parang ito yung mag-serve as our du natin, no? So we need here, kahit papano, yung natirang secant squared na to, we'll convert this as in terms of tangent. Okay? Kasi note, if this is our du, so we are sure that our u must be tangent, right? Kasi derivative ng tangent of x, that is secant squared of x. So, para magkaroon tayo ng tangent with this secant squared, gagamitin natin to. Kaya ngayon, applying that, we will now have a tangent squared of x plus 1 times the quantity of secant squared of x dx. Okay, so here, we don't need to distribute yung secant squared. We can apply na agad yung u substitution by letting u yung tangent, right? Tangent of x. So our du will become secant squared of x dx. So yun yung purpose no, kung bakit tayo nag-factor out ng secant squared. Now, itong ating integral ngayon, we can convert that in terms of u. So that's we have u squared plus 1 times ang secant squared x dx natin, that is our du, no, based on the u substitution here. Now, integrate this will gives us 1/3 u cubed plus u plus c. And then, balik lang sa dati niyang value, si u. So, that is tangent. So, we have 1/3 tangent cube of x plus tangent of x plus c. And that's it. That is the integral for example number 13, which is involved the integral of secant raised to 4 of x dx. Okay? Now, let us see naman, no, ano kayang mangyayari for the secant raised to 6. So, ito yung secant raised to 6 mo natin. So, let me move it here. Right? So, for the secant raised to 6, so, ganun pa rin. We just need to factor out secant squared. We'll now have secant raised to 4 of x times secant squared of x dx. So, itong secant raised to 4, convert natin to in terms of tangent. So, we can write naman yan as secant squared of x times the quantity squared times secant squared of x dx. So, ginamit lang natin dito loss of exponent. And now, yung secant squared na yan, we can convert that in terms of tangent. We have tangent squared of x plus 1 times secant squared of x dx. We have to let u to be our tangent. Nakalimutan na square. So, wag nyo muna expand to. Mag-let u muna tayo kay tangent of x. Then, our du will become secant squared of x dx. So, now we will have here u squared plus 1 quantity squared. So, secant squared x dx, that will be our du. And here, tayo mag-expand. So, u squared plus 1 quantity squared, that is u raised to 4 plus 2u squared plus 1. Then, plus c, of course. Sorry, expand lang pa natin, So, wala pa tayong plus c dapat dyan. So, it should be integral. Then, we have du here. And dito pa lang tayo mag-integrate. This gives us 1/5 u raised to 5 plus, of course, that is 2/3 u cubed, integral ng 2u squared, the integral ng 1, that is u plus c. And now let us convert this in terms of the tangent. We will now have 1/5 tangent raised to 5 of x plus 2/3 tangent cube of x plus tangent of x plus c. And that's it. That's the integral for the secant raised to 6. So again, idea dito, we have to factor secant squared, and then the remaining secant must be converted in terms of tangent. So take note, yung atin naman na matitirang secant is even powers. So we can use yung Pythagorean identity na tangent squared of x plus 1, which is equal to secant squared of x. So after that, our next step, we let u doon sa tangent of x. Yung pinactor nating secant squared of x, that will reserve as our secant squared of x dx, or yung ating du when you use yung substitution. Ginamit natin dito in this part use substitution. So kung papansinin natin, gamit na gamit ang use substitution sa anumang cases na kino-consider natin for these trigonometric integrals. So that's it for this case number 6. Now for the case number 7, so see you in the next video. In that video, we are considering naman yung odd powers ng secant. So thank you again for watching.